Hello. Today we're gonna be doing a base tour. And the base tour is legit my base. It's the decoration of heaven. I hope. I hope it is anyway. That is the decoration. Now I'm gonna just bring you to like down here. Like that goes down to the regions. I mean, you can definitely aim for the regions and come upwards. You can definitely get up there with the regions. And then this is the part of the base. This is just farming stuff. And okay, this recording software is kind of laggy. Over here, we don't have all the hoppers done. Why is the door thing? Oh wow, I'm holding a freaking ender pearl. This is the side. So yeah, this is overall the base. Reset is about to come, so I hope that's good. This is this part of the base. So make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. So see you next time. Like, I have never used this recording software.